Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango live chat not working. This is a server sync issue and here is the real fix that works right now. Step 1. Check your internet. Make sure you are on strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Weak internet cause chat messages to fail or delay. Step 2. The real server fix. This is the fix most people miss. Open the control center, turn airplane mode on for 20 seconds, then turn it off. This forces Tango live to reconnect to a fresh chat server. Step 3. Switch network. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you are on data, switch to Wi-Fi. This instantly changes the server route. Step 4. Turn off low data mode. Go to settings, then cellular data. Make sure low data mode is off. Low data mode can block live chat syncing. Step 5. Disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs often break live chat connections on Tango. Step 6. Close and reopen Tango Live. Swipe up and fully close the app. Wait for a few seconds, then reopen the Tango Live. Step 7. Update Tango Live. First open the App Store, then search for Tango Live, then tap on update if available. Outdated versions often cause chat problems. This server refresh method fixes Tango Live chat issues on iPhone for most users. Try it now and get your chat working again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.